Welcome to Chica World. Welcome to Chica World. Come on in and holler at your girl. I don't know if I messed up if I took out the cheese or not. But I thought I said no. I don't know if I said cheese. It's probably me though. It ain't almost it. I got cheese. I got straight cheese in here. I ain't gonna trip. I ain't gonna trip at all. Yeah, y'all. So, order my first order. They gave me $25. I had it come in $25 discount, but I didn't even order up $25 because I don't know. Rashad said I'm crazy. I should have ordered. Gotta put my own shredded cheese in. I probably messed that up. But anyway, we finna try it. So, yeah, I was gonna go out and do orders myself today. Need some sauce. It's good though. Some sauce. I got chicken fajitas. Good though. I got chicken fajitas. I took off the other stuff. And I probably took off the cheese too. I don't know, I ordered so fast. But luckily, I got sauce in here. Where's my sauce? I got taco sauce myself. I think. Supposed to have taco sauce in here. If Rashad ain't throw it away. Yeah, y'all. So I was out all yesterday and last night. Me and the kids didn't get back here until late. I don't see my taco sauce. What can I put on there, y'all? That will spice it up a little bit. What the hell? I guess I use it all. I had just bought one. I don't see it in here. Guess I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Use a little bit of that. Okay. We'll just take it on over there. Oh, where the hell my taco sauce at? I probably messed that order up though, y'all, but anyways. Only had to pay like $8 though. You know, that was with the tip, and we're gonna put a little spice on it a little bit. Let me see how it go. I want to try it. I've been picking up from this place. I said, that stuff look pretty good. Pretty good. I got it plain though. Why didn't put no cheese on there? The chicken itself is good. I put too much sauce on here. But yeah, me and the kids was out yesterday, just rolling around. I was at late, about like 10, 11 o'clock last night. I know had them go with me that long. Went to school night, but them orders was coming in, and they were paying good money. Y'all, I had one order, and I'm gonna do a video. I'm about to do a video. Anyway, y'all, my bad. I had a call come in. So, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do a video explaining to y'all more. Oh, really, I can talk to y'all about it now, really. It's very easy. All you do, I don't make the whole video for that. All you do is download the app. Uber Eats, the delivery one. You download that, you sign up, you put your name, your address, they're gonna do a background check, you gotta put your picture, you gotta put your insurance information, your car insurance information, and that's it. And then you can start be on the go delivering stuff. Right? All you need to is on the app, it'll have a map of where your area is, right? All you do is press a go button, and then it start. You wait until they find you trips, and they'll start sending you trips. They'll start sending you trips, whatever. You have the option to take it, or you have the option to not take it, right? Like me personally, I don't too much take trips that's under $5, and if I do, it's gonna be real close. Like the pickup gotta be right here, and the drop off like right around the corner, something. But I mostly take trips $5 and up, cause they give you more money. You know what I'm saying? Like last night, I guess the more trips and stuff you do, how good you go, they'll start giving you promotion. So now, I got a promotion that I could go into the store and shop for people. And they actually can send you a card. They sent me a card in the mail like over a week and a half ago to, pay for the people's stuff for them. So I guess they have it set up some type of way. I have the card, it's like a little black card. When somebody orders stuff online, and I go shop for them in the store, they put the money on the card. So like last night I had it for the first time and they paid me $30 to do it. No, I'm trying to keep it real with y'all. Let y'all know if y'all want to do Uber Eats, try it. You know what I'm saying? They paid me $30 to go to Winn-Dixie and pick up a couple items for this person. And it wasn't that much at all. And I had all my kids with me, except one. Except my older son. And we went to Winn-Dixie. All they ordered was dog food and water. So I got the dog food. My older daughter was helping me find the stuff. It was like that. It was quick. So I mostly take some of my kids. Most of my kids here because y'all know I gotta take somebody. Especially now I'm gonna have to take them now for sure. I'm going back to work. So yeah. So we all went in the store and I went to pick up the food. I had that black card. I had the money card I paid for. Her stuff came up like $50-some. So she had to pay for her stuff and plus paid me $30 to deliver to her house. And her house wasn't that far from the store, so that was pretty good. That was pretty good there. So I think I might try that again. Go to the shop because I never did it before. Like they sent it to me like the day before, but I didn't take it because I was like, they're gonna take a lot of time going in the grocery store shopping for somebody. Because I don't really like shopping half the time for myself. No, it's gonna take a long time to go in there and shop for somebody. So I never accepted. But paying me $30 to go do it, I sure will. I didn't know what I was doing last night, but it was so easy though. Once I accepted, I got to the store. Then once you walk in the store, it have a button at the bottom saying start shopping. You press that. I pressed that, and it showed up all the items that the customer was getting. It showed me a picture of how it looked. So I just clicked on it and looked for it, and it grabbed it. That was it. And once you grab it, once you find it, like for instance, she wanted sparkling water, and once I found it, I pressed on it, and it asked how many I found. She wanted 2 of them, and they had 2, so I got 2. Yeah, you just do that for each and every one of them. Potato thing's good. I love potatoes anyway. You just do that for each and every one, right? So once I got it, all the items disappeared. Once they say go to the register, I click on the button again. It say pay. I pull out that card they sent me and paid for it. The money was already on there. I said, okay, I like this. I like this here. Oh, I like that. So I'm gonna chew my mouth open, y'all. So today, I was gonna go out today, but can't. My bear done went dead, y'all. And sure I had to go to work, so I think I'm gonna get up tomorrow and go get my bear and stuff checked out. So can't go today and they Friday. Make some good money today. Hold on. I've been going all this week. So I like it though. I mean, if it's something quick you want to do, make a little quick little change, it's good to do it. Go ahead and try it, and you get to pick and choose when you want to do it. You cut it off when you get ready. When you get tired, click that off button. When you ready to go, click that go button. And you can already, like, say if you need to stop and get gas, you can press, it got a button on there with a cup. You just press that, and that say resume. That's like you taking a little break. That means like you got to go, you know, put some gas in your car or got to go stop. Like I pray sometimes, like go pick up my kids and stuff like that. On your own time. Yeah. I'm just trying to explain it a little bit more. I had someone in my comments asking me, can I explain a little bit more how it works? But they want to try it. I said, if it's something you want to do, just like make side little money and stuff, go ahead and try it. It's very easy. Very easy. You know what I'm saying? You take your kids with you. You know what I'm saying? I even had my daughter My oldest daughter, both my daughters, I had them go in and pick up the food for me, bring it back out. They have my phone. They show them the person bring it back out, and I had them deliver to the person's house and everything. And I just drive. When I first started, what I would do, because, I still had that bag and stuff, so I wouldn't forgot with that bag. So I had my daughters do it. And they like doing it too. And we go in these neighborhoods to these nice behind houses and stuff. Yeah, so they like doing it. Oh yeah. Anyway, y'all. And also to that person, thank you, girl. I already told you thank you, but thank you for putting me on to that Facebook group with the stay-at-home job. Now, I'm really serious, y'all. I'm trying to find me a stay-at-home job. I had started applying for one, but I gotta go back and finish. They ask you a whole bunch of questions. Oh my goodness. But I never did customer service. I am kind of nervous about that. I don't know what to expect because I never did a customer service job in my life. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So I am gonna apply for some more. Thank you again, girl. To Tanisha. Thank you again. Life of Tanisha. She be in my comments. Y'all go check her page out. She's another content creator that's coming up, Family Channel. Y'all check her out. Because she really been supporting me. Your girl watch my videos and stuff like that. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, y'all. I know I sound so greedy, smacking and stuff. But I like this, honey. If I get some more coupons, order you some food. But yeah. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I'm finna go. Look, got baby girl over here asleep. Yeah, y'all, she slept 8 hours straight last night. 8 hours straight, no lie. Without waking up. 8 hours. I guess she was tired too, because she was out there with us. She was out there with us last night. I had to sit up in the back. I had all my seats laid down in the back. My daughter was there with her. They just laid out, chilling. But y'all, let me go, y'all. I need to clean up. All right, y'all. Bye.